Hello everyone, welcome back to Lemon Solution. In this video, we'll discuss how to fix account blocked on Instagram. The first thing that you should be doing is clearing caches. If you don't know how to do that, first of all, long press on Instagram, go to eye icon, storage and caches, and from here you can clear caches. Once you have done this, head to Instagram, click on profile icon, go to the menu bar, click on settings, go to security, click on password, change your previous password from here, as this will lead Instagram to think that some spammer was using your account. So once you have changed your password, close this page and log out of your account by clicking on this option which is written in blue. Once you have logged out of your Instagram account, open Instagram and log in once again. After login, click on your profile icon, go to menu bar, settings, help, report a problem once again. Here you should report that your account got hacked and ask Instagram to unblock your account as soon as possible. Click on submit option. After doing all this, Instagram will think that your account got hacked, so it will reach out to you or it will unblock your account within 48 hours. So this was the method with the help of which you can solve the issue. Thank you very much.